Well, good morning. Good morning. What are you doing up there? Yes. Oh, look at you doing your yoga. Yes, she's a clever girl. Yes, what's up? Would you like a treat? Yes, is it treat time, Rocky? Is it? Is it? What's up? Yes, baby girl, you want treats? Did you just wake up? Did you just wake up? You woke up, didn't you? Did you have a nice sleep? Yeah, was you curled up with mummy? You were. Yes, baby girl. What's up? Yes. Oh, does someone want to go walkies? Is that what you want? Yeah. Okay. So we'll do walkies, all right? You ready? Yeah. I love you. Yes. Let's go walkies then. Who's that? Yes. I love you too. She's a pretty girl. Is he my lovely boy? Okay. See you later then. We'll go walkies.